Orofo Makwaba, Kahuse, latest and hot news, Aramede, bro. And so we don't subscribe to channel idea, but when they say over subscribe. Now, I like a video, give us a thumbs up, now fee. Share my offer so now when you be here now, and somewhere koso, ewo, Ghana, Mohadam. Afi intentemara yembura ye and some abeto ye pnoso. ICE, Immigration, Custom and Enforcement, one in some of the fire, Ken Ofori Atta, former finance minister. I want to describe it say, oh, ye illegal alien. Na aye wana kasama for ede ensembi atuja. Na ansa na yebebura eye ensembi ni muno. Yeba akɔhwɛ no comment video. Yeni kan kɔhwɛ eye no comment video. Na fe yeba yemetoa eye ensembi no so. Yenko eye no comment.
I'm a pensioner. And all my money, I must confess, I know I'm on air. The money that I saved to take care of my pension time has been taken over by the banking cleanup. So I don't have my money to support such a wonderful book. And if I tell how much that I saved for over 30 years to take care of my position now, you weep for me. And I get nervous. How at my age to picket as Minister of Finance? Because the legitimate money that I made has been taken over and I'm not being paid. Meanwhile, it's gone to Parliament. Within the budget that they are paying us, they have been paid. About 800 of my people have died. Others have got stroke. And when we meet, we see a lot of our people in wheelchairs. That's what the government wants us to be. That's what you want me to be. My right hand side of my mind told me that save, continue to save towards the future. Now, I cannot even afford 1,000 CDs to buy this wonderful book. I'm a pensioner. And all my money, I must confess, I know I'm on air. The money that I saved to take care of my pension time has been taken over by the banking cleanup. So I don't have my money to support such a wonderful book. And if I tell how much that I saved for over 30 years to take care of my position now, you weep for me. And I get nervous. How at my age to picket as Minister of Finance? Because the legitimate money that I made has been taken over and I'm not being paid. Meanwhile, it's gone to Parliament. Within the budget that they are paying us, they have been paid. About 800 of my people have died. Others have got stroke. And when we meet, we see a lot of our people in wheelchairs. That's what the government wants us to be. That's what you want me to be. My right hand side of my mind told me that save, continue to save towards the future. Now, I cannot even afford 1,000 CDs to buy this wonderful book.
Na no comment video and amede abra na fe yembura and somewhere abeto yepono so somewhere ice to betu Ghana web for afa sasem na yebehwe nsem no na no na KT Kevitela so a react afa ice for one nsema wonde betu ja say Ken Ofori Atta illegal alien and no akoye nsem bibiri Kevin a react de ngina ebrem na yendi kan hwe nsem Ghana web ede aba betu ja yehwe nsem no. See, illegal alien, U.S. ICE confirms Ofori Atta overstay visa faces deportation. Let's say ICE, Immigration, Custom and Enforcement. When it's Sudia say Ken Ofori Atta, former finance minister, well, with a state, I say, and now the man say, one time a year U.S. Abrichi Memono, what time Amanabro so, na no 90 bia one day beba a year Ghana memoir. Or say the United States Immigration, Custom and Enforcement, ICE, has described Ghana former finance minister Ken Ofori Atta as an illegal alien who may face deportation in the coming days. Na just say na di enimu no enchebia one de Ken Ofori Atta ebeba. Tan say ICE forces do say oye illegal alien. According to a report by TV3, January 15, 2026, an ICE spokesperson who spoke to one of the station's journalists provided details surrounding the arrest of former finance minister, indicating that Ken Ofori Atta overstayed his permitted period of admission in the United States. Nature say ICE for no one kasama for or kasaya what they subtuja abra or native TV3 central ni bako etwetwe nkomo na what this has bunyina etuja na entetemara yebeko Kevin Taylor akachi na yenkuti Kevin so the reaction efa sasemi na Kevin de ensem dodo na ara ena atuja yenkuti kiti Kevin Taylor ono so nsema wode tuja efa yenti nsema no.
US ICE describes Ofori Atta as illegal alien. United States ICE for released this statement through their PRO, Public Relations Office. I must say, in the eyes of America, Ken Ofori Atta onye nipa oye alien. Ya ka America form ye nipa on count. Unim alien, extraterrestrial spirit. Ofri planning to be seen by onye nipa. They cannot see him as human, as an American, as somebody we can treat as human. He is an alien. Unim alien. Mr. S, get me alien definition. Ofori Atta wants some kakra abba. Now, before I go into Ofori Atta's issue, former Maslock CEO Sedina Tamakloe-Attionu detained at Nevada Southern Detention Center. Ghana ambassador to US Victor Smith confirms. And then you bring the ambassador, Mr. Victor Smith, and now His Excellency Victor Smith. Oba Joy News, Oba clarify. Asase Radio, Jandambi, and the Jandam they are doing in the say, the story be able to abontin say, person catch Ghana for say this lady has not been arrested. The lady has been arrested. Now you see, this lady's matter is not like an ICE matter. And your ICE ne chima amuwe. This lady, extradition, and a danoso, and a yatsono. It is oh shama amuwe case moi. The security agency handling this matter, they are not going to put this woman out there just like that. They need to protect records. They need to make sure say Sama so the protection high security or say protecting ye and sana omo deporting no and also omo extraditing no Ghana. Until you cannot just get up and say Mako Nevada I've googled, I'm looking for this woman's name. Wait, Jimmy, it does not work like that. Into Asase Radio, led by Gabby and the Jandam they were putting out there. No, they have gone to check. This woman has been arrested in the United States of America because the government of Ghana, remember, and the Ambassador Victor Smith, or can send me or Joy News, or see, Mami were extradition, NPP for the 2 mu. And the NDC for Basu pencil. That means say they wanted to get this woman into extradition and the whole that. It's the NDC for by Attorney General Bayana or starting the US for the Dean Como say this woman needs to come back home and serve her sentence. And finally, this woman has been arrested. The reason why India MPP for don't like this woman being arrested and being brought back to Ghana and say, Samami weba Ghana, I was say omotia say they don't have any excuse when it comes to Ken Ofori Atta's matter. Because we say right now, no. MPP for the Magia to take Ofori Atta, but their argument is that why can't you try him in absentia? Adentina, why Yajatu so ye party you for Adentina Muntimin Chan Abra Oniho. Mammy will cry and this, yet Mammy way or court, Emma Buan 4. Emma Kachen's uncle de Fiasi, and or the permission by so or San Hoyare 1 week was a day and one babium. Into Mammy way there, Nigel town at Daho. Said 50 years cry or Bagana or straight to jail. But Ken Ofori Atta no waboy krono. Ye hiano manabe yin wano. Or say the same case. No problem. Right now, this woman has been arrested by the US Marshals. Now the question here is, Muana mode mami we asem e defend Ken Ofori Atta no. What are you going to say today? Enunti na Gabby Ochedako early this morning, Okachira Asase say they should put some fake news out and tell the people, say, this woman called Tamakloe-Attionu, no, Yenche no, Omakoya research, Omanfa any document to tell us, say, through an email exchange, through a telephone conversation, they just came to put out to say, oh, it is not true. But the embassy of Ghana, Omu released an official statement. The embassy, the Ghana embassy, Washington DC, and young Kwajuma no muyo. This is an embassy. Mr. Victor Smith or Ambassador Victor Smith, or the president of Ghanaians in Ghana, in America, when he requests for information from the US government, they have no option than to give to him because he is representing Ghana. He is our president here. So for an embassy to release a statement and for the ambassador to sign, not a stupid radio station in Ghana because of politics in T, they just come out and say it is not true, it's a lie. Then it means the people behind the radio station, Jimmy, from Monday we are coming to list the editors our asase. Now this is the statement the embassy released. And what did it say? 15th of January 2026. Arrest and detention of Mrs. Sedina Tamakloe-Attionu. I can today confirm that Mrs. Sedina Tamakloe-Attionu is being detained at the Nevada Southern Detention Center, 2190 East Mesquite Avenue, Pahrump, Nevada, which is all the way in the West Coast. Now, my information is that she was detained by U.S. Marshals on January 6th and has since been kept at that detention center. I am reliably informed that acting on an extradition request sent to the U.S. authorities sometime in July 2024, U.S. Marshals arrested Mrs. Tamakloe-Attionu and placed her in detention to await her day in court. Victor Emmanuel Smith Infantini, he is the ambassador of Ghana for Ewaha. And I listened to his interview on Joy News Now. This woman is going to face court on the 21st of January. We are court 21st January. So then a radio station was sitting in Ghana. A radio station yadi cocaine sika and a drug money. Ekache Ghana for say official statement a free embassy DC no, it is a lie. Why? So, what we are saying here and say, Mami we your friend Sedinam. I always forget her name. Your friend Sedina Tamakloe. Ya chinwa America. NPP are buying and sending sa extradition request in 2024. It is a China MPP for and ne America by catch up say omo Ghana ni bia ba asam dan so yemfa nembra and finally yache maame no. Enti we Ghanaians, we are all supposed to support the extradition request na yes so ye pushing for Ken Ofori Atta to be brought to Ghana. So this alone, and I said the NPP as a political party, they are supposed to release a statement. They are supposed to release a statement and say, we are very happy that today the government of Ghana, through the Attorney General, they have taken this step, this decision to bring back this woman, Sedina Tamakloe. Now, we almost say we would like the Attorney General to use the same energy to bring Ken Ofori Atta to Ghana. This is what we are expecting from a party that is a patriotic party in 9. Akufo Addo atchere kwasi ampanyi wotewo since Ken Ofori Atta asamba Gyamfi for on can be on na employ Ken Ofori Atta ya papa Akufo tewo Ken Ofori Atta asamba on can be ha kan Owusu agyemantewo Ken Ofori Atta asamba on can be mo party neck omotewo impanyi toto omunyine guo Ken Ofori Atta none of them anka say neck a release statement no mo ka check Ken Ofori Atta say we NPP we want you to come because your actions, and then Amagana for you say and so the neck is sitting there because they are in support to say Obi we are don't got na bruchire Kofor supports that. Akufo Addo supports that. Owusu Addo supports that. The party leadership, Michael Kwe, they all support criminality. And into the neck of the NPP, National Executive Council, they have not been men enough and women enough and people with integrity enough to release a statement to tell Nana Addo Akufo Addo that he should tell Ken Ofori Atta to come to Ghana. They are all in Ghana telling us they are statesmen. Yeah. You people are liars. Mon kano kura impenifo enkokura. Mon kano kura mosaria. Let us build a nation. We know we want to make sure there's accountability in the Ebusamono neck of NPP. National Executive Council. Kofor kahon, Akufo Addo kahon, Makmenu kahon, Michael Kwe kahon. Impenifo enkokura mosimu ye statement amudi no kure. Release a statement and tell us say Ken Ofori Atta needs to come home because who employed Ken Ofori Atta? It was the NPP. Moya Kronfo party, emun kwara ni mpedifo nya moya wifuo. The ICE or the American government released statements be about Ken Ofori Atta egigim. Say US ICE describes Ofori Atta as illegal alien. United States ICE released this statement through their PRO, Public Relations Office. Say in the eyes of America, Ken Ofori Atta onye nipa or ye alien. Ya ka America form ye nipa on count. Unim alien, extraterrestrial spirit. Ofri planet to be seen by onye nipa. They cannot see him as human, as an American, as somebody we can treat as human. He is an alien. Unim alien. Mr. S, get me alien definition. In fact, let me do it. Besides, let me see. Definition of alien. Alien. They say, South America for so omuhu Ken Ofori Atta. They see him as an alien belonging to a foreign country or nation. He's an extraterrestrial spirit. Almost say an alien, omu obi alien, a foreigner, especially one who is not a naturalized citizen of a country where they are living. Ken Ofori Atta is not a naturalized citizen of America. He's living here as an alien, the same as those criminals saying that they are on TikTok school. They are in TikTok school in America. And aliens. They are extraterrestrial spirits. Alien. We are before no be do here. We are before. We are. And obi say di uyire munya mo konfie. So American government in ehu Ken Ofori Atta as an extraterrestrial spirit or ye before edisa oni atiasefo tena wa America. He is an alien. Onko du krom so onko. You are an alien. You have been discovered. Your cover has been blown. You cannot live among the living. Go to your planet or so onko. Get over to the America for prison. I'm not going to go to my planet. I don't like my planet. You will go to your planet. I don't want to go to my planet. I will stay. We say go to your planet. You are an alien. The same as those foolish people who are supporting you people, the MPP, living in America. They are all fucking aliens. Go to your planet. And you are sitting there. You are going. You are an alien. You are an extraterrestrial spirit. You are dangerous. You and Mami Water have the same status. So what you chroma na say only naturalized citizen. Now unkutankrata only Mami Water your pet. You are an alien. You are an extraterrestrial spirit. You are dangerous. You can destroy a nation. Ken Ofori Atta nko chroma singing you are going to go back to your planet. I don't want to go to my African planet. You will go. You are an alien living on frozen food. You are an alien. Abrafuna kanya me jujum. Now abrafuna saka bi fufuro. Weja oh bodam dey say me juno. Say Ken Ofori Atta. Say Kenneth Nana ya Ofori Atta is an illegal alien. Almost amane West cry. Alien ne cry ba go. Yes I say illegal. And so di we akoto e dey. Odi we akoto. Odi counterfeit akoto we. When a master near dangerous no. Say Kenneth Nana ya Ofori Atta is an illegal alien from Ghana. Ghana is his planet. He should go to his alien planet. Nana Ofori Atta is an illegal alien from Ghana that is facing corruption and corruption-related charges in his home country. So the Americans want the illegal alien to go back to his planet. He is an extraterrestrial spirit. Oh, you're dangerous. America phone po omo hunu so alien keke o say illegal alien. Agwa we there. Yes, o there. Woni mama water pe. Woni papa water pe. Just we are bonsam, we are extraterrestrial spirit 2.0. Go back to your planet. He said, I'm not going to go. Only I'm higher there. Go back to your planet. Or say he's not going to go to his planet. You are an illegal alien. Oh, the alien, you're legal ones who I always say alien or say illegal. Just or the counterfeit akoto we. Or yeah, UFO. Ken Ofori Atta is an UFO, is a clear UFO. Americans are investigating him. Shenitino or a UFO. Extraterrestrial spirit. Yes. Unidentified foreign object and a very UFO. Or your unidentified foreign object living on frozen food. He was captured in the middle of America, capital, and unidentified foreign object was captured. He has been captured. Captured. An illegal, unidentified foreign object. You are a UFO. Go back to your planet. I'm not going to go. I want a lawyer. Oh, but damn. You want a lawyer for what? You are an illegal alien. You are an extraterrestrial spirit. You still want a lawyer. A lawyer to allow you to stay here. You will go back to your planet. You will go because we cannot allow you in America for the sarcasm for almost say. Ken Ofori Atta entered the United States on May 28, 2025 on a visitor's visa with an expiration date of November 27, 2025. Ofori Atta overstayed his permitted admission. Time or this spacecraft in the bar, America for some investigations, the UFO, the extraterrestrial spirit called Ken Ofori Atta, aka Ken Ofori Atta, his ship, the foreign ship landed in America on the 28th of May 2025. In fact, the ship was supposed to take off back to his planet on the 27th of November 2025, but he overstayed. The UFO started getting comfortable, started eating frozen food, started moving around like a schoolboy. He thought he could mingle with the humans, the living. So the UFO started hiding. And then the American system and security started looking for the unidentified, the foreign object. That is how they were able to pick him out. The census in Washington, D.C. picked this UFO up. He's an extraterrestrial spirit. And this guy, who is a foreigner and an alien and an illegal alien, is now telling us he wants to hire a living human being, a person who is allowed to live in this country, to defend him, an illegal alien. How can you, a UFO, hire a naturalized citizen to defend you? You just need to take your ship and go back to your planet. Also on the planet, the UFO is fighting the American people. Ken Ofori Atta against the Americans. The black UFO. Now, America for sarcasm for free. I'm gonna say the Trump administration has been abundantly clear. Aliens must America for so fool. Hey, America for Sibia will be where they are there wrong. Just a week or so, I said the Trump administration has made it abundantly clear aliens must respect our laws or face the consequences. Overstaying a visa is an immigration law violation that can result in deportation. Almost say the Trump administration, the president of America, Trump administration, clear say aliens. Aliens must respect laws, also respect American laws. Because we are alien now, but in America. Now, say illegal alien. You need to respect the laws. O time do also of our ship now called crew. Ken Ofori Atta is not respecting the laws of America. He's an illegal alien. A UFO trying to rub shoulders with the American system. unidentified flying object, right? Oh, sorry, it's not foreign object. No, unidentified foreign object. We want to say foreign, it is not flying. The ship has not flown yet. So Ken Ofori Atta is a UFO, unidentified foreign object, not flying object. Why flying? Foreign. The unidentified foreign object does not want to leave. He should go and enter his ship. For the ship to take him back to his planet, he says he needs a lawyer. Oh, dying. Go chrome. I'm for America. Ken Ofori Atta left here. Thank you, Mr. S. My team say, me musa question way. Almost Ken Ofori Atta. Oh, sorry. Ken Ofori Atta entered the United States in May on a visitor's visa. May. Per OSP, no. Ken Ofori Atta left Ghana January. So January, February, March, April. 4 months. No shame. No shame UK. No shame islands. Ken Ofori Atta free Ghana January. Per OSP report or the Maya. Meboa. And America for say Ofori Atta wura America May. In this Ofori Atta wura America May. January, February, March, April. May ni krampono wura the latter part of May, 28th May, meaning January, February, March, April, May, 5 months. Na Ken Ofori Atta hefa na no wo. Time Ken Ofori Atta free Ghana January no. This UFO, this unidentified foreign object, where was he living for the past 5 months? We want answers from Ken Ofori Atta's lawyers. Was he in the UK? Was he in on one of the islands where you people are stashing your money? Where was Ken Ofori Atta living for the 5 months? Not him. Oba America and also natural or natural mano. Baby, I know one on a hospital in your. Baby, I Ken Ofori Atta work for 5 months, no. Into nya hospital bia or home nya surgery, no. Mom just say Jimmy. Oh, Ken Ofori Atta is a bandit. He's a first-class bandit. Set it in a Cinderella movie ni mua and come back to Apentino. No more in the picture. No, the abobo Edian who say he is wanted. He's a bandit. I don't know if it's Ken Ofori Atta. Sanka our Rapunzel movie moi. I'm a man of cartoons nina. Rapunzel, right? Sanka Rapunzel was a dear Rapunzel was a dear sa movie moi. Anko a bandit. And in the pictures that title bian who room. And my mouth for channel. Sanka Ken Ofori Atta or movie to say Cinderella mu and I say or bibi to say movies me man of bebre. Anko a bandit in the pictures that title bian who channel. Way or your UFO. He has been arrested by ICE.
Eti no woni agya na se ya.
Enye meninji yo.
Ye che no ho.
Me say or the duro so kra mo menin fa ne.
Ye che no ho, how did you feel when you saw it? How did you feel?
I didn't feel anything.
Say ne ya fara ma.
Enye me mobo.
There be any problem.
There me pese me tie. Ba ko a me da eni se wa ba ha.
Also, are you not being prejudgmental?
Na oye hwan?
Oh no. Ba say nipa de
ndie
mi ndi na ase.
O chen krofo na o mo mu wuye no.
Obi wi.
Jawa asem. E de na akika kasa.
Hey, me mean so bi wi.
Wonim Ken Ofori Atta nkofo a mo ma wu because of sa nyoma no.
Ne ma be.
Sa di yipi na
Listen. Nana Akufo say the darkest hour.
Pensioners were crying.
Yeah, I'm called demonstration binum.
He didn't even care.
Including former Chief Justice.
This man is so wicked. He's so wicked. Ken Ofori Atta is so wicked, insensitive. There no be a mobile. Anytime I talk to my as I can say,
oh, Araho.
Do you know what it means to stay with a stroke patient?
Hey, na easy.
Omo akokra o.
Force akokra force. Me kosira me nipa bi pa na easy.
Stroke. Omo akokra, bra. And so they can Ofori Atta ye no. She dey UT. Amoaben de wa ye no. Omo nyina ko mo sama he.
GN Bank.
She park Indium.
Oh.
She said do agongo.
Heritage. It's a very Republic Bank.
Ekugu nkrofo bebre gugu nkrofo adwuma.
HS na Republic Bank pacho. Kojo now o best friend Ken Ofori Atta. Yes ice for detaining no. Na me dey me yarn say wo bruchira ice for detaining. See detaining say ache wono no. Na Ghana embassy in USA. Atu ana mo so mpeso mu bedi nkomo kwa yes Ken Ofori Atta say omo mpeso be share Ghana embassy for bia no medi nkomo. We decline the request to meet them. Because of commit my Bawumia you free nkwasu. Ken Ofori Atta our best friend asemba won kan bi o. Uchocho mucho pa.
Ghana, I'm not sure Attorney General is serious.
Oh, why?
Yeah.
Why is he not serious?
I mean, I don't know whether he's joking about this matter.
Hey, why is he joking? Was news for that last Saturday was over.
Akasa keke. Makati so akasa dodo.
Yabi, was say, a man for say, Ken Ofori Atta no the visa valid hunting and detaining. Was say, the visa was actually
and you revoke ya or how ye day. Onya di wakika kano. And I'm okay, say that is why some of us they refuse to come.
Hey, what's the one phobia investigation even before any SML deal or CSI investigation, the money involved here mind blowing.
He's talking too much. Attorney General Casado.
Open action.
O Casado. Honestly, o Casado, that's what a brofo and not a law and no Casa. And because today we say that you see, today we TV na me ya wonyoma kitu bina. She somebody okasa I am said kujo ponkuma
yeah uti ati pa
okasa
uti
benadable okasa me stop it
uti
o dey say Collins Adomako
Patrick Boama
yeah Aduchu engineer Kwabena
yeah
Dr. Brian omukasa me choke
pause and listen
o dey say
yeah
NDC mu nso ye wonkofo bi wo Haruna Drusu mu deep asedi nketia
deep
or deep Sedina Tamakloe-Attionu
very deep.
Abbas Nuruddin Asafoje Erikopoku you understand when they are speaking I pause
and listen
because we are being me social media and so a lot of people are listening
yeah o kabna ku say
me come and say Attorney General ne kasa dodo asa what a brofunti no kasa
o say can no investigate can aside SML do no.
You see it is frustrating I'm telling you John Mahama so when Timmy and Ken Ofori Atta 2026 no ye dey let me tell you this is John Mahama Ken Ofori Atta so ye ni sa ye na 2026 e twema na yi be bafom
the good one
be bafom
hey
I'm
because of Ken Ofori Atta
see because na Akufo Addo ka se die ntia corruption related issues to crack am
man ani munyam ne rating abafo
anka wachichi nkrofobia
na Kojo enye unti na weekend want Agyapong sankana
oye
she Agyapong say Ghana mo nche ne mra a compel public officer so o wie na djuma a wo serve o man na also your account obey accountable to me obey kind I don't watch video
my share but you see ayana
you can't force Ken Ofori Atta from US to Ghana
you see okay obia ne die o dey say because the enyoma bi wo ho a se me na me host o pa na wo ka e bia wontimi nka
na dem maybe ho say compel you
no you see I don't know how to put it but sanyoma ni poster ni bi ene ehisem ni bi ntini atutia wo mo
okay
they don't respect us Agyapong mesa right okabrofo
yeah power
but the news fans
yeah
or a lawyer
or dribble
anyway seriously
or say Charles show me one law point me to that law that compels a public officer say
okay no problem assuming there's no law that's it Ken Ofori Atta had been a minister he was always using morality
in his line of duty
inspiration from God
Bible quotations.
I think me answer no.
Okay.
You don't need the law. You need morality. So enye bibia na ye
law.
Bibi wo ho morality ka ho.
Okay.
And a country morals e ka ho. Sa Bible na no go to Caleb and the Joshua and the hwan no. Say be accountable.
Yeah. your people.
Adwuma bi a wo ye no be accountable because the higher being God would ask you of your deeds.
Now, that statement cannot even hold in law because is he saying say Ghana had him say we juma by juma na appoint and one that's all. And it's like a public account committee council.
The view media and I make us say enya basa. Na omu na oho. Anytime I say Ghana force nyansa. First na nka beka ni TV so nko a.
Social media obi abi hu a channel
social media no entu wie na akotena se na okenkan a. Bo se sebi wan kanyansasem.
It is for you Kojo who say Ken Ofori Atta dey Attorney General bet ma take advantage of.
Ken Ofori Atta wa wu mpo a yenkofa ne funumra.
Yemi ansem.
Attorney General Kasado Dofa I say Ken Ofori Atta ya mani trima ne de. She dey Donald Trump you obi. She Donald Trump okun obi kra Donald Trump ku obi justify. What do I say?
Yeah.
What is one awoka diplomacy? Diplomacy be na awoka wase. Dey no.
Oh, brutal. And a process.
Dey process. Donald Trump or the process na kofa Maduro. Or the process na oka say Greenland be kwa kwaji.
Na be masa.
And I'm not sure so oka che Donald Trump say here na. Ono kra pa mo ko dada. You can use the ambassador, secretary of why? Catch president, yachi finance minister. Donald Trump krabe manaba.
Simple.
Call keke. Simple.
Na me Kojo say news ni ba say yachi no. Manti ade bi ase. Say the lawyers ni be statement say the issue any extradition on visa validation of visa validity. But my point is we have friends America. To be an visa we know ko you know yachi ni too. Who say bibi Kojo?
Say visa. You see, I don't want people to me who they were missing can. Nipa no pen. And a binti wahuno. What do you do?
Hurriedly take advantage of the situation.
Kasi senka Attorney General kasi se wunam USA. What's a Ghana here? Go to USA. Look at the ambassador. Go there and tell the people that I need him.
It's urgent. The people of Ghana need him.
No. Ono Donald Trump nkofo no omu hia nkofo wa hanye na edi ko no.
Abutrika.
No. Mo so ne so saa ma ne yete se obi atimi edi ope.
Say emra Kojo.
Emra ben.
Emra na process.
Me so wawu oto oxygen score ayen fa ne emra. Oye hwan?
Former finance minister.
Oye hwan?
The venerable.
Oye hwan?
The former finance minister.
Onim nyansa nche obi a o. Odi ase. The man, said the Ato Forson ye.
Yeah, Obojuma. Ato Forson must
see the difference.
Obojuma. And no more kutia kabi.
Omowetia.
1.7 billion.
Time crowd. Dr. Aminanta. The Okika.
So mutia 1.4
million. Day.
Also more mutia 1.4.
And a year day.
Is it a fact?
Ochio. And Ochia ye and a year day.
And also 1 year the day. So Ato Forson should not make noise about this. That's his point. I can't hear the no man. I can't get ungutia.
A bitia.
1.7 is a mokutia. Also about a mutia 1.4. They didn't make noise.
They will make noise because social media no okra sanko fo we no mo
NPP form no let's omo hu say omo yakra am bi also ma fo hu
me hu de chese
communication was so poor
into what here BBC ono de so obeye wo ha on say
na man for born about so
wo anye ono aye o kire se me maye afi na be ka se meti aye
in the space of 1 year nana enema aye kan nyina so maye nyina 1 year 12 months for the 12 months omo dey say enema we nyina
MPP for here, and I've been stating this. Party no enya kono.
Oh, mungi kama huana nye party ni sanya kono bi.
Enya kono nti, they no mo keka na. Na ma because me who the way I'm saying kabi. Omo mo kasa nyina ye nkofo a. Omo huru ye bo. And I don't know why they one say the more you do that, now, why him more.
Yeah. Last week, say because Madam Patricia Piaget honorable press conference. Say Ghana for a home tom, dear 24-hour economy. Oh, the deputy communication director for Alan Party, United Party, Ebu Backman, Net2 TV, was this MPP for anymore? Catch them, Sanemano. We at Timamina, what is happening with MPP more? Oh, so could you honestly speak, Me koto petrol yateso. Iron rods yateso. Cement bo aba form. What's the baby? O koto bi abuchira 10.5 was say. Now say ka tell still la near we are me koto bi am feeling ne body.
Ah, mukra ne benefit more. Mukra mama PJ mu. Omo na use dollar ne more. Some pennyfo no cry $1 some mukra ne benefit omo more.
That's how we use intelligence.
Omo na importing your money more. Yeah, they say $500 need $200 in na say for. Then you are telling me this.
I feel they insult our intelligence when they tell us that.
And somebody is not telling them. This is something I said from day one. Afenyo marking. What they make one say? And no more dey another pray. And na Ahmed wan. And no mo say. Chale mo nto mo boase. Enti na mo eduru bebi ni propose say imagine Patrick Yabo Amane Collins muni educhu
communication.
Kojo Kyeremanteng mu. Kojo Kyeremanteng say or the need ba. You see how intellectuality, you may disagree with him, but he's able to do things and bring out intellectual debate. We did na Mr. Speaker. You know, Shenanu is Murukra. We will say, John Mahama, Nini Jesus Christ. Now we so abeto there be Nini Ofri Wale. Now no debate to Parliament.
Hey, who?
How can you grow?
And I didn't see that.
How can you grow? Meshama.
Hey, like seriously.
You see, I don't know, but
the Ken Ofori Atta na who ankasa what is here say achena ofili ze.
Ne bi bia anya me fe.
Eti no woni agya na se dey oya.
Enye meningi yo.
Ye che no ho.
Me say or the duro so kra mo menin fa ne.
Ye che no ho, how did you feel when you saw it? How did you feel?
I didn't feel anything.
Say ne ya fara ma.
Enye me mobo.
Ya fara ma problem.
There me pese metie. Ba ko ameda meda. Eni se wa ba ha.
Also, are you not being prejudgmental?
Na oye hwan?
Oh no. Ba on se nipa de.
Nipa de ndie.
Emi ndi na ase.
O chen nkrofo na o mo wuye no.
Obi wi.
Jawa asem. E de na akika kasa.
Hey, me be so obi wi.
Wonim Ken Ofori Atta nkrofo a mo mawu because of sa nyoma no.
Ne ma be.
Sa di ni yipi na listen.
Nana Akufo say the darkest hour.
Pensioners were crying.
Yeah, almost demonstration binum.
He didn't even care.
Including former Chief Justice.
This man is so wicked. He's so wicked. Ken Ofori Atta is so wicked, insensitive. There no be a mobo. Anytime I talk to my as I can say,
Oh,
do you know what it means to stay with a stroke patient?
Hey, na easy.
Omo akokra o.
Force akokra force. Me consider me nipa bi pa na easy.
Stroke. Omo akokra, bra. And so they can Ofori Atta ye no. She dey UT. Amoaben de waye no. Omo nyina ko mo sama he.
GN Bank.
She pa kwesi ndium.
Oh.
She said do agongo.
Heritage. It's a Republic Bank.
Ekugu nkrofo bebre gugu nkrofo adwuma.
HS na Republic Bank, pacho. Ken Ofori Atta ungu bi anyuma. Ono so na adwuma ugu no. Ken Ofori Atta dey kana so we emotional, relax. Bompai man na oyentimi nyini frefia.
I will not pray for him.
Ba me dey say kwali ade na Ghana embassy wa America kono so onhia won. Ade osurana.
Ana mo say mo suso ne so. Donald Trump, who must more kind.
What's that?
Or say I'm not bound by any international law, except my own morality.
Hey,
yes.
You should be on the cancer.
Venezuela, the end can say is against the nation. So from Jimmy from
or recognizing the international law.
Or Russia will release him off a home bay or so. So see Greenland, a whole ice pan, but a strategic zone. Or see say one kwaji e ho na obi kro no. Oso wan kwaji a Russia and China for bebe ho.
Wow, abedi se hu.
Enti oso obeji, obi ti no krom no. Wa sha say the plane nko ho. Obi kro no, oso obeji. Me wa ye Denmark for there.
Hey,
I say Net2 and no ensem bibre na eba.
Is he not abusing his powers?
He has always abused. He's a bully. Trump is a bully.
So we shouldn't replicate that.
No, but I'm just saying,
with our officers.
I'm just saying, the people of America wanted this attitude.
So they like what he's doing.
This is American for you. This is a typical American.
Are you saying they like what he's doing?
Trump is a typical American.
And a typical American.
Don't be deceived.
Oh, okay.
This is a typical American.
Okay.
Those Democrats need liberal for any young kofua. Oma connected to blacks, but the typical Americans are not here. Or a bully, it has to be him. It is American first. He doesn't care.
Oh, okay. So they like what he's doing.
And you're not tomorrow. Nobody is a Trump sign and say no tomorrow.
But the detention could now Ken Ofori Atta that's a shame. Me may harm you, and ask me big too much to say be issues be. And yes, sir. Visa validity issue there. And also with me questions
I brought phone MPP for any NDC for
lawyers.
Mr. Attorney General Kasado. Dr. Ini, Attorney General, you're talking too much. Go and bring him.
Now, Manasa Jews have exposed pictures be baby and what? Italy than the obo. Ken Ofori Atta.
Yes, I now my eye frustrated. Because you see, there are certain people. Some say Ken Ofori Atta nkwa John Mahamadu ne ba. People ne yi kura besa kosro
approval rating.
Nti ade na better trawa na akwa it safe the negotiation backdoor dealings bi na sefo. What is happening to NSS? Akosi say Eguso say ya na etwam no mo so ba no ma ba beja wo. O meye say ya na etwam. Nti udi ga na sika na betwam. Mi wa wo pesika kakra bi kra ya anyoma nkrata wo betrocho.
Enye ido.
Ede no. Na no adwuma ba ko ameye me preference ye. Ho nkrata nko e wo so woje. Sika no kra ye sen.
E wa kanasa.
Yo, order for waiting and somewhere ye ice Eddie Abatuja, what the Sisudia say, Ken Ofori Atta, former finance minister, or ye illegal alien, and on a one day home some Abatuja, KT, Kelvin Taylor, so Ariacha, what and some do Nara Atuja. Because so young subscribe, yeah, Bomadia say, we subscribe to channel. Now, like video, give us a thumbs up, now, share to all platforms, say, I'm for being here, now, when who and somewhere Koso, Ewo, Garamemo. Also betimi ache wadwen afa ye se we nyira ho ewo comment box ni mu mobeti minka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.